In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a simple Google search all the way into your Squarespace site's style settings, ready to customize your design with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace. In the results, look for the official link titled Squarespace Website Builder. Start your free website trial. Click that. A quick tip: always make sure the domain is squarespace.com before you proceed, so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, go to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This icon opens your account options. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials and continue. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account menu immediately. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It's where your sites, subscriptions, and key shortcuts live. So getting comfortable here will save you time later. Inside the dashboard, find and click on Website. This takes you to the area that lists your websites and brings site-focused actions to the front. If you manage more than one site, locate the one you want to work on. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the visual editor, where you can see your pages as they appear to visitors and make changes in real time. If you don't see your site right away, scroll or use the search field. Squarespace keeps all your projects here. With the editor open, look to the left side navigation and click Website. This panel consolidates global settings and design controls. It's different from editing an individual page. You're now accessing settings that influence the entire site's look and structure. From here, select Styles. Styles is your central design hub. This is where you fine-tune your brand's appearance with colors, fonts, spacing, buttons, and other visual elements that apply across your site. As you adjust settings in Styles, keep an eye on the live preview to see immediate results. Small, incremental changes help you maintain consistency. Try setting your primary color and heading font first, then refine spacing and button styles for polish. If something doesn't look right, use the Undo option or reset a specific control without affecting everything else. When you're satisfied, your changes are saved within the editor workflow so you can continue building with a cohesive design foundation. That's the full path, from Google into your Squarespace account to the Styles panel, so you can confidently shape your site's look and feel.